Okay, explain the decomposition reaction and its type with the help of examples. Yes.
Okay. First of all, what is decomposition reaction? We studied about combination reaction. So combination reaction, two elements combine to form a single compound. Decomposition reaction is just the inverse of combination reaction. That means if a compound is there, AB, then there are two elements, A and B. These two elements form a single compound in combination reaction. In decomposition reaction, these two elements will separate out. So the definition is a type of reaction in which a compound or element breaks down into its constituent elements or compounds is called a decomposition reaction.
Okay.
It is also called the inverse or just reverse of combination reactions.
Okay.
So on the basis of what form of energy we are supplying to break the compound into different elements, decomposition reaction can be broken down into three types. So on the basis of what form of energy we supply, first form is heat. If in a decomposition reaction we break down the constituent elements using the heat, then it is called thermolytic or thermolysis type of decomposition.
Okay.
You can write it.
Others, can you sit here because your head is coming.
Second type is when we provide energy in the form of electricity.
Okay.
Then it is called electrolytic decomposition.
Okay.
Third type, when we provide energy in the form of light or sunlight, anything,
Okay.
then it is called photolytic decomposition. So light or generally sunlight, then it will form photolytic. So these are the three types of decomposition reaction on the basis of what form of energy we supply to the reaction.
Okay.
So first we will discuss thermolytic decomposition reaction.
So better you could write. Okay. Okay. No problem. Actually, the heading was there, so you can write down the behind below that one. But okay, no problem. Thermal decomposition.
I am going to do that.
Okay.
Thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition, as we saw that when we supply energy in the form of heat,
Okay.
then it is called thermal decomposition.
Okay.
We can take example like FeSO4 dot 7H2O.
Okay.
This is called ferrous sulfate heptahydrate.
Okay. What is color of this?
It is generally bluish green in color.
It is light green.
Light
color.
green.
Light green color. Blue color is copper sulfate.
Yes.
CuSO4 is the blue color.
So when we supply heat,
Okay.
it is represented by delta.
Uh,
When we supply heat, it will break down into FeSO4 plus 7H2.
okay.
This is called anhydrous ferrous sulfate.
Okay.
Further, if we break down, then if we provide heat to anhydrous ferrous sulfate, it will form ferric oxide plus SO2 plus SO3.
Okay.
These two will evolve in the form of gases and this will be solid.
But that is not the valence reaction.
Yes, we have to balance it. So here we will do 2.
Now it is balanced.
Yes, now it is balanced. So we can see
Can you count out the oxygen atom? See that?
oxygen here is 3, 2, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8. Here it is 8 oxygen. Here 4 into 2 8 oxygen.
Okay, very good.
And S here is 2, here 2S, and Fe 2, here Fe 2. So it is balanced equation. So we can see that when FeSO4 we provide heat, then it breaks down into Fe2O3, SO2 and SO3.
Can you take the example of lead nitrate?
Lead nitrate. So
Remaining student, you practice. You have to go there and explain. All three of you.
lead nitrate is PbNO3 whole twice. When we give heat, then it will decompose into PbO plus NO2
Okay. Okay.
yes. So this is what it looks like.
Is it balance equation?
No, it is not balanced, we have to balance it.
Okay, balance it.
So to balance it, we will see that here is 6 oxygen, here it is 2, 2, 4, 1, 5. So we will put here,
Just you should memorize this one, alright? Because to balance it, it will take time. So what you need to do, that is before the PbNO3 twice, you write down the 2.
2.
Okay.
So here it will
and,
be 2.
2 and NO2, that is 4 times.
Yes.
Now count out.
Here it is 2 Pb,
2
2 Pb. Here oxygen is 3 to the 6 to the 12. Here oxygen is 2, 8 plus 2, 10 to 12.
Okay.
And N is 4, 4. Yes.
Okay.
So it is balanced.
Can you
This
calculate-
is
okay.
PbO is yellow in color.
Okay.
It is yellow precipitate.
Okay, very
And
good.
these two are evolved in the form of gases.
What is the lead nitrate color of lead nitrate?
It is colorless.
Colorless, white color. Okay, can you take the one more example I am giving you? Take the example of ZnCO3. ZnCO3 NDT. Will it go thermal decomposition reaction? ZnCO3?
No,
Yes,
sir.
no? It will go thermal decomposition. All the carbonates, calcium carbonate, zinc carbonate, magnesium carbonate, aluminum carbonate, whatever the carbonate are there, they all are the thermal decomposition.
Yes, sir.
You must have written the 10 examples I have given for the. Okay, please go with the photolytic decomposition.
Photolytic.
Or electrolytic, whatever you find better. You remove the thermal also now, otherwise it will come thermal only. Okay.
Next is electrolytic.
Okay.
Electrolytic decomposition is the type of decomposition reaction in which we provide electricity to break down the compound into its different